What will win in a drag race between a standard Lamborghini Revuelto, which has 1,000 horsepower, a massively tuned BMW M140i with up to 1,600 horsepower, and an Audi S3, which has also been massively tuned with an undisclosed amount of horsepower? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow, and hopefully no cars will blow up. Right, we're going to start off with the drag race, and to make it super interesting, we're not going to warm my tyres up first. What will happen?
3.
Oh, Ricky's off quick! The Audi's dead! What? Wow, that was amazing. This car hooked up, but that BMW, I'm so surprised considering the power it's got. Let's speak to its owner. You probably recognise him. Hey, Ricky. How was that? Oh, wait a minute, Ricky. Look, the Audi's finally here. Hello, Audi. You're a bit late to the party, mate. I think you might have lost. What happened?
I don't know. It didn't shift after first gear, so we're going to have to give it another go.
Well, we'll give it another go in a minute. But first, Ricky, thanks for bringing your car down. It looks impressive. How was that launch for you?
It weren't too bad, man. I think I got you on the line as well.
Yeah, I mean, first time out on Carwow, and your launch was insanely good. I think I can do a better launch, but your car was just pulling. I want to see, though, how that Audi does, because he wasn't in the race then. I've got another question to ask you, Ricky. Were you running full power then?
That's actually low boost. I think traction was good, so we might be able to turn it up. If you got a set, we could probably turn it up.
Yeah, okay. If you want to do more power, do more power. I'd love to see what your car can do and find out what that Audi can do. But before we do some more drag racing, let's do some other tests. Right, I'm not going to race him, Miguel, but you can have a little go, see if you can do it properly this time. Can he? Can't he? We'll find out. Mate, that's what we needed the first go. That looks impressive. It's quite frightening, actually. You're back in the game, Miguel. You're back in the game. This Audi S3 has a 3.2 litre turbocharged V6 engine swap with 950 horsepower and 900 newton meters of torque. It drives all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and weighs 1.6 tonnes. Ricky's M140i has a turbocharged 3.4 litre 6-cylinder engine which makes 1,200 horsepower and 1,500 newton meters in low boost mode. It has an 8-speed automatic gearbox and 4-wheel drive conversion, but still weighs less than 1.5 tonnes. To see how these cars compare to this Lamborghini Revuelto, pause the video now. But before we could get into the rolling race, Ricky had some fettling to do.
Keep her nice and cool.
Okay, Ricky, so what have you turned your car up to?
I reckon we're probably more 1,400 now.
Right, and Miguel, are you sure you're going to be able to drive your car this time?
I'm going to try.
Okay, rolling race. Car's going to be in automatic mode for the gearbox. We're going to race to the half mile. I'm going to set the speed about 50 miles an hour, and then I'll call it in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so Ricky, I took off and you were all just left standing, and then your car came on boost and you flew past.
Yeah, you left a bit. I was in auto, wasn't I? So yeah, a bit of lag. Took probably a gear or two to get down, but yeah, come past in the end, as I expected.
And Miguel, you looked like you had the same issue and was gaining on me, but it's like you backed off too soon. Was there a problem with your car?
No, all good, but I thought we reached the second corner, so I think probably backed off a bit too early.
I think you would have been in with a chance of maybe catching me, but let's find out in the next race. You can use your gears. Okay, manual mode. What gear would you like to be in?
Probably third for me.
Miguel, third. Is that good for you?
Probably, yeah, third or second, I'll have to see.
You're going to have to pick one. Which one are you going to go for?
From 50, I'll probably say second.
Do you know what? I'll do second as well. Ricky, what do you want? Third or second?
If you guys want to go second, we'll go second.
Before we do that though, let's do a sound check. So Ricky, can you rev up your car? Nice, nice. Now let's have a listen to your R32 engine, Miguel. Oh yes. Are you ready for 6.5 litre V12, guys? Your cars may be fast, but they don't sound anything like this. Right, let's do this race. 3, 2, 1, go! Miguel lost the gear. Ricky's gone, Miguel is coming now. Ah! Miguel, I think your bonnet's about to come flying off.
Missed the bloody gear, but still caught you.
Sorry, what was that, Miguel? What a gear?
It basically wheel spun, second gear, and it didn't shift, so I had to manually shift. So it bounced off the limiter, that's why I bogged down, and then...
Do you realise your bonnet was coming off?
It's not off, but yeah, the wind will pull it. It's carbon fibre, so it's a bit flexible.
I don't think that's helping your aero. Anyway, Ricky, once again, you won that by some margin. Do you reckon you can do even more power?
There's plenty more power, but I'm happy, man. I mean, I thought even in medium boost, I'd probably pull a bit more, but Matt, we got Santa Pod tomorrow, so the engine, I've got to look after her. We've got a stressful weekend ahead.
Listen, mate, it's your car. You do whatever you want to do. Let's head back and we're going to do a quarter-mile race, but we're going to roll in at 10 mile an hour.
See, the thing is, Matt, believe it or not, my times were faster in low boost. So I'm looking at my data, I'm using Draggy, and I'm actually going slower with more power.
Okay, well, it's up to you. Your car, will he run in full power?
I want to need to throw a bit more ice in. I need some fuel as well.
He's run out of fuel already. I want to know whether he's going to run it in high power. I bet he will. I bet he will. So how much fuel are you putting in at a time?
Only needs a couple of litres. It just dropped below the minimum, so it just won't give me the boost. I just like to run it on low fuel, keep the weight down.
Yeah. Every 10th of a second counts.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
mate. Yeah.
So we've done 1200 horsepower.
Yeah.
1400 just.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do a rolling from 10 miles an hour. What boost are you going to run?
I think just keep it in the same map. For you guys, it might be good for views if I crash it, but
no, we don't want that.
We don't want to.
So you're going to run low boost again. You think it's going to be faster?
Medium-ish, yeah. It'll be like low medium. I'm going to go down a few.
So how many horsepower do you reckon for that then?
Well, it's probably going to be in between 12 and 14. So yeah, I'm going to go down a few psi. So probably 13. I reckon.
Well, let's see how it does. You all right to do it?
Yeah. So I'm just trying to think because I've got a little bit of ice left. So we're going to do. You want to do another run after this?
I'd like to do it because. What is your reason for not wanting to do it?
Well, firstly, as I say, I'm about to be out of ice, and I need the ice regardless for each run because the temps have gone up to 40 now, which is fine. It just needs to cool down, isn't it? It's just these kind of builds, it's back-to-back runs what kills them.
Do you want to go and drive it about and cool it down?
Yeah. You don't reckon we should just throw the ice in and maybe go for the quarter instead?
If you don't want to do that, it's up to you.
We'll do what you want to do, Ricky, okay? It's your car.
I reckon we just go for a last quarter, just turn it up a little bit.
Yeah, Ricky, what we'll do is a quarter mile.
Alright, sweet.
So Ricky's done a lot of driving about to try and cool his car down. He's now going to whack some more ice into it, and we're not going to do the 10-mile-an-hour rolling. We're just going to go straight for some more drag racing. We don't know how many goes he's going to get in that car, and we want to do the proper runs because the drag race is what really counts. How fast will his car go? We're going to find out. I've got to say, we've got some good number plates on all these cars, don't you think? Check them out. Oh, the Audi got a good start. I'm coming past it. Hey! Ricky has gone. Audi's coming past. Oh my God! He's going to do me! Wow! So that was interesting. Ricky, your car just shot off. Clear victory. Are you pleased with that?
Yeah, as I suspected. Honestly, the more I turn it up, the slower this car goes. The service isn't too bad, but yeah, just not good enough for the car.
Miguel, are you pleased?
Yeah, but I was sort of all over the place halfway through. I don't know how, but I must have hit the concrete patch.
However, you came past me, so the Lamborghini came last. Oh dear. Right then, let's compare these cars' times. So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 8.8 seconds. The Audi took 9.9 seconds and the Lamborghini came last with a time of 10 seconds dead. I just want to say a huge thanks to Ricky and Miguel for bringing their cars down and letting us play with them, and to Sean for lending me this Lamborghini. Now, if you want to watch some other videos, click on the video windows, and if you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, just click on the CarWow logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.